everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to lock secret mode using password on Samsung internet. So let's say you want to lock your secret mode. So first you have to tap on the three lines at the bottom. Okay, then tap on your tab, shortest method, tap on the tab, and then you tap on the three lines, three dots at the top right corner, tap on secret mode settings, and you can see use password. So you have to set a password to keep secret mode private. To use face recognition, you also need to set a password first. So tap on use password. Then you're going to set a password. So the password must contain at least 4 characters, including at least 1 letter. So you set a password, and if you want to use biometrics also, you can tap on allow biometrics to unlock secret mode. Then put in your password, and that's it. Let's say my password is H5, or let me use KA. Let's use capital letters. KA. Oh yes, it's small letters. KA 8. KA and letter 8 and letter E. KA 8E. Was moving before and there must be a letter. So once you're done, click on continue. Enter the password again, KA8E. Then click on OK. So you've turned it on. If you want to, then you got your biometrics. You know, I clicked on set biometrics too. So mine is using face recognition. If I don't want to, I simply turn it off here. Then if you want to, anything you do, you have to put in the password, don't forget. So if you want to change the password, you tap on change password. It's as simple as that. If you want to open it from other apps in secret mode, leave it on. If you don't want to, turn it off. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.